Hey beauty hackers! These do's and don'ts for skincare are just what you need to show your skin some TLC. Don't ever sleep in your makeup. You're better than that. It can cause infections and clog your pores. When applying products like serum or moisturizer, don't do it without cleansing your face first. Do wash your hands beforehand and try to cleanse your face at least once per day. Making sure to get all around your face, the top of your forehead, your neck, and behind your ears. For a deeper clean, lather on a foam cleanser. Then let a pulsating facial cleansing brush do its thing. Next up, don't over-exfoliate. Applying too much pressure when scrubbing or exfoliating too often will dry out your skin and cause irritation. Do apply your exfoliant in a gentle circular motion. 1 to 2 times per week should do the trick. Before putting on a face mask, you'll want to make sure your hands are as clean and oil-free as possible. And please don't apply it too close to your eyes. The skin in this area is more sensitive. Don't let clay face masks sit for too long. That'll dry out your skin. Do apply with a brush. It's more hygienic and precise. Do spray your clay mask with rose water. This will keep it wet, allowing your skin to continue to receive all the benefits from the clay. Follow the directions on the label and keep an eye on the clock. You've got this. Don't apply big globs of moisturizer. It won't work better or faster. It'll just clog your pores. Rubbing your skin too hard can also cause damage, so don't. Do apply small, even dabs with your fingertips, then rub it in, making circular and upward motions. Sunscreen is your skin's BFF, so don't only use it in the summer and on sunny days. Do wear sunscreen every day. It's easiest to find a daytime moisturizer formulated with a sunscreen SPF 30 or higher, or apply sunscreen over your regular moisturizer. If you're a lover of self-tanner, don't apply it with your fingers. It'll be uneven and blotchy. Instead, do exfoliate and moisturize the night before so that your skin soaks in the product and there's no streaking. Apply with a glove so that it is even and streak-free. Hope you loved this video. Follow these do's and don't do the don'ts so that your skin stays bright and healthy. Have your own tips? Tell us all about them.